Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a promotion code for your very first order on Dave's Hot Chicken. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. In search bar, type Dave's Hot Chicken, download and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it. When the app opens, tap sign up or create account. Enter your email address, phone number, password. Make sure you are creating a new account because first order promo code only works for new users. Verify your email or phone number if promoted. After sign up, the app may ask you to allow notification. Tap allow. Dave's Chicken often sends exclusive promo code through notification or email. Also check your email inbox for welcome message. This sometimes includes first order discount. Inside the app, look for reward, offer, promotion. Tap on the section. If a first order promo is available, you will see it listed there already. Now choose your location and add item to your cart. At checkout, look for the promotion code or reward section. Apply the reward for the very first offer. You will see the discount applied before you pay. If you don't see a promo code, make sure you are logged in on new account. Check your email spam folder. Try ordering direct through the app, not browser. Promo code may vary by location and time, but sign up through the app is the best way to get first order deals. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.